How to fix Narzo 100 Lite is not working. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, you will see your problem is solved. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your charger. After check your phone charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search Android Auto. And click on storage usage if you want to fix this problem. So click on clear cache. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Narzo 100 Lite not working. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.